Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Hi grade 5 learners! Welcome to the DepEd TV channel. I'm Teacher Loida Grace Nitoriadan, your guide in solving routine and non-routine problems and drawing inferences based on the data presented in a line graph. Get your pen, get your papers, your self-learning modules, and let's get going!
Before we continue, let us get to know our objectives. Number 1, we're going to solve routine and non-routine problems using data presented in a line graph. After working on the exercises, we then proceed to draw inferences based on the data presented on the line graph. And finally, we make sure that the process on solving the problems are accurate.
I'm sure each of you are excited to begin with our activities. So let's not waste time. Are you ready?
Turn your module to page 3. Let us study the graph with the help of the given questions. Write only the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. The title of the graph is Mark Score in Math Formative Test. So Mark score on Monday is 8. On Tuesday, 7. Wednesday, 10. Thursday, 9. And Friday is 9. What is Mark's total score for the week? What is asked? A. Mark's grade for the day. B. Mark's grade for the week. C. Mark's total score for the day. D. Mark's total score for the week. Number 2. What facts are needed to solve the problem? A. 8, 6, 10, 9, 5. B. 8, 6, 10, 9, 4. C. 9, 6, 10, 9, 5. D. 8, 7, 10, 9, 9. Number 3. What operation will you use? A. Addition. B. Division. C. Multiplication. D. Subtraction. Number 4. What is the number sentence? A. 8 minus 7 minus 10 minus 9 minus 9 equals n. B. 8 plus 6 minus 9 times 10 divided by 5 equals n. C. 8 times 7 times 10 times 9 times 9 equals n. D. 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 9 equals n. Number 5. What is the answer? A. 36. B. 10. C. score on Tuesday? 2. Why do you think he gets a high score on Wednesday? 3. What would his parents feel for his grade? Let us now answer your activity that you have done. A. What is Mark's total score for the week? Number 1. What is asked? A. Mark's grade for the day. B. Mark's grade for the week. C. Mark's total score for the day. D. Mark's total score for the week. The answer is D. What facts are needed to solve the problem? A. 8, 6, 10, 9, 5. B. 8, 6, 10, 9, 4. C. 9, 6, 10, 9, 5. D. 8, 7, 10, 9, 9. The answer is D. What operation will you use? A. Addition. B. Division. C. Multiplication. D. Subtraction. The answer is A. What is the number sentence? A. 8 minus 7 minus 10 minus 9 minus 9 equals N. B. 8 plus 6 minus 9 times 10 divided by 5 equals N. C. 8 times 7 times 10 times 9 times 9 equals N. D. 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 9 equals N. The answer is D. What is the answer? A. 36. B. 10. C. 43. D. 45,360. The answer is C. Choose the best inference. Select your answers from the options given. Number 1. Why do you think Mark gets low score on Tuesday? The answer is C. Number 2. Why do you think he gets a high score on Wednesday? The answer is B. Number 3. What would his parents feel for his grade? The answer is A.
Were you able to answer all the items correctly? If yes, very good. If no, there's nothing to worry about. That's part of it. Furthermore, this is a warm-up for our discussion.
If you have observed in the first graph referring to Mark's score in math formative test, there are steps to follow in answering the problem. Now, these are also going to be applied on our main lesson. Let us look at the graph that describes Ella's grades in math in the different quarters. Ella's grade on the first quarter is 83%. On the second quarter, 81%. Third quarter, 84%. And fourth quarter, 85%. In what quarter did Ella get the lowest grade? In what quarter did she get the highest grade? What is the average grade of Ella in math? Why do you think Ella got the lowest grade during the second quarter? Why do you think Ella got the highest grade during the fourth quarter? Let us see if your answers are correct. The answer in number 1 is second quarter. Number 2, fourth quarter. Number 3, 83%. Number 4, maybe she was not able to study her lessons. Number 5, she prioritized her studies. How are we going to solve this problem? We are going to use the 4 steps plan. The first step is to understand the problem. We should know what is asked. The problem asked the average grade of Ella. Then what are the given data? You should identify the grade of Ella in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. Another is, what is the word clue? Find the words that lead you to find the operation to be used. The word clue in the problem is average. The next step is to carry out the plan. You should know what operation to be used. In the given data, we should use addition and division to get the average grade of Ella in mathematics. After identifying the operation to be used, let's find out the mathematical sentence. The mathematical sentence in the problem is 83 plus 81 plus 84 plus 85 divided by 4 equals n. The third step is to solve the problem. We will add the grades of Ella from the different quarters, then divide them into 4 quarters. The solution is 83 plus 81 plus 84 plus 85 equals 333 divided by 4 equals 83.25. The fourth step is to check your answer. In checking your answer, you multiply the average grade of Ella by 4, then subtract 85, then 84, and 81 from the total average grade itself. Therefore, the average grade of Ella is 83. To draw inferences, it is important to observe the parts of the graph. You must also understand the relationship being illustrated on the graph and make prediction based on the described situation presented by the data on the graph. In the question, why do you think Ella got the lowest grade during the second quarter? You may infer that she was not able to study her lessons, or she had a hard time in understanding the lessons in the second quarter, or she was busy doing some other things. Why do you think Ella got the highest grade during the fourth quarter? The answer may be she prioritized her studies, or she was able to study her lessons, or the lessons in the fourth quarter were easier for her to understand. For further understanding of the lesson, you do the following activities. Listen and follow the procedures. Use the data presented on the line graph to answer the questions about the problem. Follow the 4-step plan. The title of the graph is Joel's height. Joel's height at the age of 6 110 centimeters. At the age of 7, 115 centimeters. At the age of 8, 118 centimeters. At the age of 9, 121 centimeters. At the age of 10, 124 centimeters. At the age of 11, 128 centimeters. What is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? What operation to be used? What is the number sentence? Show how the solution is done using the operation. Check if the answer is correct. State the final answer. What can you say about Joel's height in the graph? Why do you think he has an increasing height? Let us now check your answers. What is asked? The answer is the increase in Joel's height from 6 to 8 years old. What are the given facts? The answer is 100 centimeters and 118 centimeters. What operation to be used? Answer: subtraction. What is the number sentence? Answer: 118 minus 110 equals n. Show how the solution is done using the operation. Answer: 118 minus 110 equals 8. Check the answer. (110 plus 8 equals 118). So the final answer is 118. What can you say about Joel's height in the graph? Answer: it is increasing. Why do you think he has an increasing height? Maybe he eats fruits and vegetables. He exercises every day. He sleeps well. How many checks did you have? Excellent for those who got 8 to 10 checks. For those who got 7 and below, don't worry, we still have activities to be done. From all the activities that we February, 41 kilograms. In March, 39 kilograms. April, 42 kilograms. And in May, 43 kilograms. What is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? What operation to be used? What is the mathematical sentence? Show your solution using the operation. Check if the answer is correct. State the final answer. Let us now answer your activity that you have done. What is asked? The answer is D. What are the given facts? Answer is A. What operation to be used? Answer is E. What is the mathematical sentence? Answer is B. The answer to the solution is letter C. And check if the answer is correct. Letter F. And the final answer is letter G. Did you get all the answers? Are you still there? I know you can still do it. We are now nearing the end of the lesson, so let's enjoy the remaining activity. Study the graph below and then answer the questions that follow. Write only the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. Deworming of the grade 5 learners. So in 2010, we have 110 learners dewormed. In 2011, there were 130 learners dewormed. In 2012, there were 140 learners dewormed. In 2013, there were 160 learners dewormed. In 2014, there were 200 learners dewormed. In 2015, there were 300 learners dewormed. How many grade 5 pupils were dewormed on the first 3 years? Number 1, what is asked? A. The number of grade 5 learners. B. The number of deworming tablets. C. The number of grade 5 learners dewormed from 2010 to 2015. 2015, and D, the number of grade 5 learners dewormed on the first 3 years. What are the given data? A, 110, 130, and 140 learners. B, 110, 130, and 150 learners. C, 120, 130, and 140 learners. D, 110, 120, and 140 learners. What operation to be used? A, addition. B, division. C, multiplication. D, subtraction. What is the answer? A, 360. B, 370. C, 380. D, 390. Why do you think there is a sudden increase in the number of learners dewormed in 2015? A, less deworming tablets available. B, the number of learners increased. C, the number of learners decreased. D, more learners refused to take the deworming tablets. Let us now check your answers. Number 1, what is asked? The answer is D. Number 2, what are the given data? The answer is A. Number 3, what operation to be used? The answer is A. Number 4, what is the answer? Letter C. Why do you think there is a sudden increase in the number of learners dewormed in 2015? Answer is B.
Congratulations for finishing these activities. I hope this will help you